Alright, now we're going to make the actuator control panel. So this will be the part that holds these plungers. So first thing, again, open up a part, create a 2D sketch, and we're going to start off with a rectangle that is going to be 8 by 1.5. So 8 by 1.5. Then you're going to use your 2-point rectangle again, and you're going to start in the top left corner, and then bring down, and you're going to make this 0.75 tall by 1.5 in deep. Same thing on the other side. .75 by 1.5. Now you can go ahead and extrude this, and we just want the center section, and it's going to be extruded to 0.75. Now we're going to put our holes in it, so we're going to put our sketch on our front surface. We're going to use our point tool again, and we're going to drop 3 points in. All 3 of these points are going to be 0.75 from the top. So 0.75. And then as far as right and left, the first one, so this point to the far edge is going to be 2.5. And then the first point to the second point is going to be 1.5. And then the second point to the third point is also going to be 1.5. So now you can use our hole tool, so H for hole. The distance, we can just leave it at 1 inch because it's going to cut all the way through. The size of the hole is going to be 0.75. Hit OK, and we have our 3 holes. Now the last thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of angle this out, and so we're going to use our chamfer tool. And we're going to chamfer this lower corner. And we're going to turn it around and do the same thing on the other side. And we're going to set that at 0.75. So there's our actuator bracket. So go ahead and save that as actuator control panel. Okay, so that is actuator control panel.